What is up, guys? EHBricks here, and today I'm back with another short video. I got this package from Amazon. It arrived on my doorstep a little bit after I arrived home from school. And yeah, if it's what I think I ordered off Amazon, then I'll be pretty happy. It was supposed to come today, so if that happens, then that'll be pretty cool. I got a pretty good deal on what I got. I got it for about 15% off, and it's a pretty new set, so I think I got a pretty good deal on that. But other than that, let's open this up and see what's inside. Alright, so it's a fairly large package for what I opened here, or for what I ordered. But it's probably just more for safety. There it is. I got the LEGO Movie 2 Set 70826 Rex's Rextreme Off-Roader, which retails for about $30, I'm pretty sure. And I got it for $24.99, so about $25. Pretty good deal, if you do ask me. Because you get your standard Rex minifigure, your standard Emmett minifigure, and also you get this really nice printed Raptor, which is a good mold to have. So I am really excited to open this one and build it. But for right now, it's going in the backlog, folks. Right here with the brick book. Anyways, that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little unboxing video, and I'll see you guys next time.